Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch review video. Today I'm going to go over some watches that I have in my collection that I really do consider a great find, especially if you're looking for that budget-friendly price range and you want to start a decent watch collection. I would definitely recommend these watches. But before I get started on them, I just wanted to say thank you so much to my current subscribers. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for all the likes, subscribes, commenting, and all the interaction with the channel. It really does help out. If you are new to the channel, my name is Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you like that concept, please make sure you do give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, as it always helps out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube, Dave the Watchman on Rumble, and DaveTheWatchman.com, where I showcase all of the watches I do review here and provide affiliate links so you guys can head on over and pick those up for yourself. So without further ado, let's get started on today's watch picks that I have here. I'm going to go over two different brands that I consider to be pretty similar in design, and also are in that budget-friendly price range. I believe every watch that I'm going to show you today is less than $50. I will be posting links to these in the description below. Sometimes these prices are subject to change, as we all know, but I think if you head on over, use that affiliate link, I think if you head on over right now, you'll be able to see that these watches are typically below the $50 price range or somewhere around that range. So the two brands that I'm going to go over today are, number one, you may have seen these on Amazon or on AliExpress or some other fashion websites where they sell watches. These brands come up quite a bit, and they are pretty inexpensive, but they are great quality for the price, in my opinion. These two brands are Naviforce and MINIFOCUS. And like I said, they are pretty similar in their design cues, but they do have different styles. I think the best thing about these MINIFOCUS and these Naviforce watches is that you can amass a considerably large collection for a small amount of money and have many different types and styles of watches, because they have so many different types and styles to choose from that you can have different colors, you can have different bands, you can have different dials. They're all different, and they allow you to have a big collection for not a lot of money. So the first one that I wanted to show you is this Naviforce here. This is a watch that I picked up on Amazon, and like I said, I'm not sure of the exact price on this right now, but I've had this probably for about, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 months now, and it's held up very, very well. It's got a stitched leather band on this thing, and it's genuine leather. Very good quality for what you're going to pay for this watch. It's very, very nice. It's got a great multi-level great multi-level dial on it, which is really, really mechanical looking, and it's very, very nice how they put those different layers under there. And one thing I really like about the Naviforce brand is that they put the N logo on the second hand, which is really, really nice. Now, these are not fake subdials. They all work. Everything works properly. You can change the day of the week. So today is Saturday. Typically don't like any of the watches that have the fake subdials. I think if you're going to put subdials on it, make sure that they work. Otherwise, don't waste the space on the front of the dial. Just put some other design on there, but don't put a fake subdial. I hate watches with fake subdials. So this is, like I said, this is a watch made by Naviforce. It is a great quality, wonderfully built watch for a very, very reasonable price range. It has not failed me yet. I've had it for quite a while. Very nice running watch, very nice looking watch. And believe it or not, you put on one of these watches by Naviforce and by MINIFOCUS, you actually get some looks from these watches, because they are very nice looking watches. And you're not breaking the bank on these things. You can start a decent collection for about $200, have 4 different watches in your collection, and they're all going to be nice watches that you're going to get compliments on. Now, I'm not sponsored by Naviforce. I'm not sponsored by MINIFOCUS. These are just my watches from my collection, and I'm giving you my honest opinion of these watches. And I think, honestly, they're a great watch for the price. Some people, some of you guys out there might hate them. And you know what? That's fine. We all like what we like. And if you don't like these watches, then they're not for you. But I like them. I think they're a great buy. They're a good quality watch. They're lasting so far perfectly. This is another brand called MINIFOCUS. MINIFOCUS is also a great brand. Um, Very nice quality watches here by MINIFOCUS. I mean, everything works. All the subdials work. Like I said, don't like fake subdials. So I like it when everything works as it should. This is the rose gold. This is actually designed after a much higher luxury brand watch, which I won't say the name of, but it is a very nice looking watch with the barrel design on it. And another thing I like about these MINIFOCUS and the Naviforce watches, they actually put the logo on the buckle, which is kind of a nice touch to it. But this watch, I have gotten quite a few compliments on this watch. This watch does really look sharp when you wear it. It's a very nice looking watch, and this one fits really nice. It's very nice and ergonomic on your wrist because it's got that curve to it. But this is the rose gold and the black. Once again, a very nice watch. It does have the back screwed down back case back on it. Very nicely built watch. And like I said, 3 ATM of water resistance. So that's 30 feet of water resistance. So very nice watch. Great quality watches. This is another Naviforce watch that I've got here. Once again, just a very nice dial on this thing. They do incorporate that N on the second hand again, which is a really nice touch. I think most of their watches do have that option. And another one with the leather, genuine leather bands. Very nicely stitched. It's not fake stitching either. That's actually real stitching on the band. Great quality leather. They put the N logo on the buckle itself. Very nice watch. These are all quartz movement, so you're not getting, these are not automatics. They're quartz movement and probably a mineral crystal on these things, but they are a very nicely weighted watch. They're not extremely light, so they don't feel cheap on your wrist. They've got some good weight to them, but they're not overly heavy, so they are a very nice wear. Here is another watch by MINIFOCUS. MINIFOCUS also is the manufacturer of this watch here. This is a sports chronograph watch. Very nice quality watch. The 3 working subdials. It does have the mineral crystal. This one has a silicone band, which is really nicely broken up by these metal ornaments on it. Very nice watch. Once again, great weight to this thing. Feels good on the wrist. Also 3 ATM water resistance, so you're going to get some water resistance out of this thing, and a beautiful dial. Very nice dial on this thing. It's just, I'm just amazed at the quality of these watches, and you're getting these watches for under and around the $50 price range, so these are great watches for the money. So if you are interested in picking any of these watches up, I will be posting links to them in the description below, so you can head on over and pick them up for yourself. Once again, they are affiliate links. They are not, I'm not sponsored by these companies, but they are affiliate links. It doesn't cost you anything to click on the link. You pay the price, whatever the price is, but it does send a couple of dollars over to me if you do decide to use that affiliate link, and I do appreciate that very much. And once again, if you're already a subscriber and you want to support the channel, just click on that join button below, and that will take you over to our membership options. You can become a member of Dave the Watchman and actually help support the channel in real time. If you're not a subscriber, right down here, click on the logo or click on the subscribe button below, and you will see many more watch review videos, because that's what I do. I do watch review videos all the time here on this channel. I'm always buying watches and I'm always reviewing watches. I'm not a jeweler. I'm just a guy. I like my watches. I like to buy them. I like to wear them, and I like to review them. So if you like that concept, please head on over thumbs up, like, and subscribe, as it always helps out the channel. Once again, I'm Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And until next time, you guys all have a great weekend. See you next time.